Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Now let's provide a solution to this question provided. Okay, and the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x power 3 minus x squared equals 4. Okay, then here we can change the position of this one to get 3 x to the power of 3 minus x squared minus a 4 to be equal to a 0. Then here we can find two numbers that we can add or we can subtract in order to get a 4. Okay, now here we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared, then minus, when you take 8 minus a 4, this is equal to a 0. Okay, then x cubed minus x squared minus 8, then plus a 4 will be a 0. Then here we have x to the power 3 minus x squared minus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 squared will be a 0, of course. Now we can group this which look same to get x cubed minus 2 power 3 minus x squared plus a 2 to the power of 2 which equals a 0. Then by grouping them we have x cubed minus 2 to the power of 3, okay, minus this one will be x squared minus 2 to the power of 2 which equals 0. Now here we can deal with this to get x minus a 2 times x squared, okay, then plus 4 squared. This is a 2 squared because we have a 2, not 4. Then plus ab is equal to 2x. Okay, then here minus, this is difference of 2 squares to get x minus a 2, x plus a 2 which equals a 0. Then after here we can factorization of x minus a 2, then here to get x squared plus 2x plus a 4. This is a quadratic equation. Then minus here x plus a 2 which equals a 0. Now this will provide x minus a 2, then here open bracket of x squared plus 2x plus a 4. Now this negative we're going to multiply inside here to get minus x minus a 2 to be equal to a 0. Okay, then after x minus a 2 times x squared, then you have plus 2x and negative 2 to get plus x, then plus a 2 to be equal to a 0. Now we can start dealing with this. We have x minus a 2 equals to 0, or this quadratic equation will be equal to a 0. And then the first value of x will be equal to 2, or x squared plus x plus a 2 will be equal to a 0. Whereas have to find x2, this is x1, x2 and x3 will be equal to negative b plus negative square root of b squared minus 4 ac over a 2a. Okay, Then this will be equal to negative 1 because we have positive 1 plus or minus square root of 1. This is b squared, which is equal to 1 squared minus 4 times a. And our a here is equal to 1 times our c, which is equal to 2 over a 2. Because 2 times 1 is equal to a 2. This equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 7 over a 2. This is equal to negative 1 plus or minus 7i over a 2. This is x3 and x2 and x3. So that our x2 will be negative 1 plus 7i over a 2, whereas our x3 will be negative 1 negative 7i over a 2. Alright, this is our solution. Thanks so much. Keep watching. See you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe.